Bank of America Escalation Department. How can I help you?
I am trying to find out when the subordination can be done.
It's in review by underwriter.
It passed 10 business days. Also, I have escalated and no response yet.
The escalation takes 72 hours.
At the time I escalated, I was told they would call me in 24 to 48 hours.
It takes longer now.
I requested escalation last Wednesday. It's 72 hours.
You may get called by the end of business hour today.
It's almost 20 minutes to office closing time.
We do not have any log of your escalation in the system.
I did call to escalate last Wednesday.
I do not have it in the system. I can take your escalation today and you need to wait for 72 business hours.
Is there any way to know when your subordination department can respond?
No. I can only escalate and wait for the subordination department to call you.
Can you transfer me to supervisor who manages the subordination department?
No, they do not take inbound call. They only do outbound call. I have you in the escalation log on November 16th and November 21st.
Now you can see that I indeed escalated on November 16th. It has passed 72 hours response time.
All I can do is escalation. I cannot tell you when you will get response.